Every second, your body produces millions of new cells. When you get a cut, cells divide to heal the wound. When you grow taller, cells divide to build new tissue. But how does one cell become two identical cells? The answer is mitosis, the process of cell division. That keeps life growing, repairing, and functioning. Cells divide for three main reasons: growth, repair, and replacement. When you were a baby, mitosis helped your body grow. If you cut your skin, mitosis helps repair damage. Even right now, old cells in your skin and intestine are being replaced by new ones. Before mitosis happens, the cell goes through the cell cycle. It starts with G1 phase, where the cell grows and carries out normal functions. Then comes the S phase, where the cell replicates its DNA. After that is the G2 phase, where the cell grows further and prepares for cell division. Finally, the cell enters the M phase, or mitosis, where the nucleus divides, followed by cytokinesis, where the whole cell divides into two identical daughter cells. It is important to understand that chromosomes are not always X-shaped. After DNA replication, each chromosome consists of two identical copies, called sister chromatids, joined at the centromere. This duplication happens before mitosis begins. Mitosis begins with prophase. During this stage, the loose DNA inside the nucleus starts condensing into visible chromosomes. The nuclear membrane begins to break down, while spindle fibers start forming. These spindle fibers will later help move the chromosomes during cell division. In metaphase, the chromosomes align at the center of the cell, along an imaginary plane called the metaphase plate. Spindle fibers attach to each chromosome. This step is important because the cell checks that everything is properly aligned before the chromosomes are pulled apart. Next comes anaphase. The sister chromatids separate and are pulled toward opposite sides of the cell by spindle fibers. Think of it like a tug of war, with each side pulling identical DNA copies to opposite ends of the cell. In telophase, the chromosomes reach opposite ends of the cell. New nuclear membranes begin forming around each set of chromosomes. Then cytokinesis begins, as the cell membrane pinches inward, until one cell divides into two separate daughter cells. Think of mitosis like photocopying a textbook. You start with one complete copy, duplicate every page perfectly, and end up with two identical books. That is exactly how cells copy their DNA. A real-life example is wound healing. When your skin is injured, nearby cells undergo mitosis to replace damaged tissue.